Honorable Chief Minister ki wafam dudi ma ki statement sidi see the yek pa tiger paper tiger gumani wa amata action namata successful oibangamoy tha tara mari sur abasida Honorable Chief Minister na sima paikhat kani government sin state government na council of minister na sima paikhat lani haina lekibo what if cabinet decision the loki what if thabakam ta paikhat pangamde peace mission namta tawungamde Honorable Chief Minister ki wafam dudi Tara Mari Taduna Lae Wamato Oikidre Hujiksu Koi Maki Wapam City Hoigi Toina Wani Haina Loroy Maramdi the whole administration of the state Manipurgi administration city state government Makuta Kaimle Deozi even the administration of the Koigi police Koigi DGP Shibok Center Government Kali City adagi unified command gumba akhoi state ki makhada leibse central government khali city chief secretary bhawda civil administration ki head sibo ami san khalai city akhoi loi khangba potni na akhoi rajniti tawo kuire na masidi honorable chief minister na pibu statement city ama bhawwa ngasi violence related statement of the honorable chief minister not a single point akhoi sum gidri adula Maki statement sidi Aikoigi see the yek pa tiger paper tiger gumani aduna wa amata adagi action namata successful oibangamoy ngamsu ngam khidri hujuk phobong ngamdri sa tha tara mari sur abasida honorable chief minister na sima paikhat kani government sin state government na council of minister na sima paikhat lani haina lekibo what if cabinet decision the loki what if thabakam ta paikhat pangamde peace mission namta tawungamde adagi atopa district amata da chat pangamde yengo akhoi tang tarukta yengbiu tang tarukta thokiba jiribamda anu boirang lakpo matamda chief minister ta kapsalaktana magi karket ta kapsalaktana mi pali dudi aduna masigi wasidi aduna asi any hiram amata da state government na huji control tawungamde directly it is a system of undeclared president rule. Haiba said, Masi 99.9 Sumabani. Only thing, percent amakak point amakak wali badudi, madudi PRC in central government na 355 Tamiana, Lau took the order to Kaptani. Order to Yaudavida, everything. Central government control to it. How's honorable governor na. Army की chief unai, civil department की unai, adagi union minister finance unai, Manipur की मियाम प्रजानक कारिबो tax मियाम न चलाइबो state की budget से मसी governor न खुद थिंगिन थोकते if we have our own popular government but it is very different मसी की मधुगी पोतु लाइटा बदुना honorable governor na Ada Salaga finance minister unawanga mibni. Aduna Marumor Kanda, Madudi Sanvidanta, Dunda Jabani, Aduna Ikogi Sarkar City, Ikogi, see the Yekpa, paper tiger gumbani, Karimta Mamintegini, Housing Aduna, Gomen Haiba City, Karim Tazingality, Gomedica Sality, Aduna. The councils of ministers, who is the sole responsibility of our state, our government, must be quite hopeless. And it's the weakest government in the political history of Manipur. Aduna ngasi aikoi na wariba parja khudimakna ngasi aikoi awaba nangiba hiram khudimakta thabaki enghangi chana thangnanaba pochegi mamal pot phangba phangdaba adegi housing scheme mayam loina paralyze tawre adegi development program yearly sema program every major department of the government masi chahi khudingi April May the program same with the housing development work major departments in the program same bagi wa amata tabiramo program committee amata department kudigo famamo it shows that the system and administration of this government is totally paralyzed not only the law and order khaktanatana atopa department me am sing sis loin fel aduna marmur kanda aikoi praja singda awabasi nomu gi saithing in terms of development, in terms of getting schemes of the center and the state masi punamakse tam tamna sum awaba ji hengalakhineba aduna masi aikoi government sidagi hujik hangbidi bo wafamdo madudi aikoi asa se sungtok tawningai leitre sumna tha khara tha ni hum khara government sidagi position nama semaga control tawni haina tha khara ngairam badudi aikoi su ngairammi hojikti tha mari tha tara mari sujal amnina karamba tha bungai hidegi karamba sayon ngai hidegi karamba sahi ngai hidegi karamba tha bu ngai hidegi haibasidi miyam parjana khangnarabani aduna karigumba kanda masi punamaki haurakpham masi punamaki thoibasidi ngasi Rahul Gandhi jina parliament da hangiba wafam masi parliament da thammiba mamang makta thammiba 72 councils of ministers of the union government mamang makta thammiba wafam sina tai masi irang asidi makoina thonbani civil war si push tawrise nakoina tahonbani haibasida wahang amabak masida pakhum abu prime pradhan mantri ne piba ngamda haibase home minister na you are pushing the civil war in Manipur haibasida wahang amabak reply piba ngamda base it proves that it is the creations of the Modi and Amit Shah the civil war in Manipur. See, adum masana tayo.